Start. Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Alisa Futau and her name is
Caitlin.
So we are going to do the translate video challenge from English to Afrikaans. So she's gonna say an English word and I have to translate it to Afrikaans. And I am going to try to put the word on there so that you can see the word and not just hear it. So yes.
And also guys, like for if you like Halloween and subscribe if you love Christmas more than Halloween.
Yes. So she's gonna start now by saying any word, anything that she sees. For example, she sees a photo is in Afrikaans, in English, sorry. Photo is in English, then I have to translate it to Afrikaans. So anything that she sees, any word, but it must be in English. Anything that she sees must I translate to Afrikaans. So Caitlin, you can start. Don't take long. You can anyone. Book. You must say dot.
Book.
Okay. A book is in Afrikaans, so English book. Book. Book is in English. Book is in Afrikaans. I'm going to put the word there.
Fridge.
Yskas.
Glass table.
Glastafel.
Couch.
Bank.
Blanket.
Kombers.
Pillow.
Kussen.
Remote.
I will say also remote in
TV.
televisie.
Photo.
Foto.
Clock.
Is it foto? Okay.
Plant.
Plant.
Flowers.
Blomme.
Person.
Persoon.
Tree.
Boom.
Cat.
Cat.
Phone.
Phone. Dia cell phone. Phone.
Cup.
Cup. Cup. Cup. Kopi.
Lip gloss.
Isn't it just a lip gloss? In Afrikaans also. I think so. Lip gloss.
Fridge.
You did say that. Now you can like say things like mother and sister and stuff, so that the people that doesn't know Afrikaans like from overseas now can know the stuff. Like they already know the word mother, father, sister, but they wanna know the English word. So you have to ask me that in in English so that I can translate it to Afrikaans so that they can also know. You see? So
Mug. Mug.
I don't know.
Okay, then wall.
Meer.
Floor.
Vloer.
Stairs.
Trappen.
Pen.
Drom. And when is the mother start coming?
Electricity.
Krag.
Kettle.
kettle. You must say the word hard so that they can hear.
I did say cat.
Huh?
I did say cattle. Whatever.
Say it hard.
I said cattle.
Kettle. Kettle.
Oh, I forgot. Did I say mug already?
Yes, but you didn't say mother or dad or stuff.
Jeez. Mom.
Ma. Ma. You can say it ma in Afrikaans, ma in English also. So mother, it's ma of mother. You know, you can say it any way you want. You can even say it in Afrikaans or English. And like she doesn't wanna tell she doesn't wanna ask me the English word of mother or dad or grandma or sister, so I'm gonna do it self. So mother, mother, father, father, sister, sister. No?
Nee, sissy.
Okay, I don't actually know. And
Brother.
grandma, grandma, oma, grandpa, opa, brother, broer,
and uncle,
aunt, tante, and auntie,
yeah.
and uncle. In English is oom, and there is another word, but I'm not sure if it's actually that one. And friend, you get a friend for a girlfriend, a girl I mean, and you get a boy. So in Afrikaans for the girl is vriendin, and for the boy is just a friend, you know. And bestie, it's also bestie. And what is there more?
School friend.
School friend, a school friend of school
Mikey
of math. And
yep. Teacher
is juffrouw. Principal is wolf.
Principal, not principal.
Doesn't matter. I don't know. Eyes, oog, mouth, mond. Eyes, oog, nose,
ears
is ore, head is kop,
and
hair
is
hare, and feet is voete, and hand is hande, arms is arms, body is liggaam. You know, liggaam. You don't need to say it with me. You're gonna make the people confused.
Sorry if I'm making you guys confused.
Okay, but anyway, I think we did enough, guys. I'm tired now,
and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, whoever did. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your friends or your families.
Yes. And we just wanted to do this video because we have posted like a while ago. And by the way, I'm just doing videos with her, Caitlin, to make the videos more fun and not being alone or less fun. I wanted to make it more fun, so I decided Caitlin is gonna do videos with me. Don't forget to subscribe
and like.
Thank you.